to replace these little caps that hold on your hubcap, we have to take this off. So with a 19mm socket, remove all of these. Well, they won't come off, they'll just unscrew. Now the hubcap comes off, and if you flip it over, you can see that they're basically only held on by a couple little tabs on each. So to remove these, the way I found is easiest is to get some cutters and just cut off these little tabs that secure them on. And once you cut one or two off, you can take a small rubber mallet and just kind of tap it out. And if you find a different way that works, well, that's fine. But this is what I found to be easiest. There we go. Just do that all around. I already cut this one. It's going to pop right out. And once you pop all of them out, we can grab the new ones, and the new ones should just slide right in. Okay, flip this over. With your new ones, all you have to do is line it up and press it in. Sometimes you'll need a little rubber mallet. There we go. Now you do the same to the other four to get all of them in. To put the hubcap back, once all the caps are installed, line up this hole with the valve stem. If you don't line it up, one, it's probably not going to fit, and two, if it does fit, this is going to get crushed, and that's not good. And then put these on by hand. I strongly recommend doing this by hand because if you do it with a power tool, unless you know exactly when to stop, you'll most likely strip out the plastic, and well, then your hubcap's going to go flying off while you're driving down the road, and that is not safe. So make sure you get these tight, but that's why I suggest doing it by hand. And there you go.